Yeah. Work is in progress. We are live at Abiodun, Lagos, Nigeria, for the precast parapet design. As you can see, the woodwork for the main building is almost done, and we have dropped the part of the reinforcement. By tomorrow, we start the casting. By God green, next tomorrow, we start the fixing of precast parapet design. And tomorrow, we start the precast parapet design. Work is in progress. You can contact us for a project. This is the side view. Work is in progress. See, the carpentry work is done. See, so tomorrow we start the casting. Tomorrow we're going to start the casting for the main building. As you can see, tomorrow we are going to start the casting. The bamboo scaffolding has been done, so the woodwork too has been done. By God grace, tomorrow we start the casting, so we update you when we are done. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. God bless you.